Bonjour et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo sur French with Nandita. Je m'appelle Nandita Jaishwal et je enseigne les français. So, hello and welcome back on French with Nandita. I am Nandita Jaishwal and I teach French. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les numéros en français. So, today we are going to learn numbers in French from 1 to 50. In the previous video, we have learned numbers from 1 to 20. We will revise 1 to 20 and then we will start learning 30 to 50. Okay, so let's start. Revising 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. Now we will start learning from 21 to 50. What do we call 20 in French? Right, 1. And 21 is 1 et un. 1 means 20, a means 1. So altogether 21. Now 1 et un, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 17, 1 18, 1 19, 30. 30 is 30. Now 30 to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 14. Right. Now we will learn 40, 14 to 50 cans. 14 1, 14 2, 14 3, 14 4, 14 5, 14 6, 14 17, 14 18, 14 19, 15. Now we will repeat all together 1 to 50. Répétez après moi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1 et 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 17, 1 18, 1 19, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 14. 14 1, 14 2, 14 3, 14 4, 14 5, 14 6, 14 17, 14 18, 14 19, 50. Well done, bravo. Now practice writing all the numbers, numero of fonts 1 to 50 in a notebook.